Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on checking for update screen in iOS 14.5.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Change the language and region. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Language and Region. Tap iPhone Language. Select any one language. Tap Change to English language. Then go back, tap Region, select any one region. United States. Tip number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal, scroll down, tap Reset. On the Reset page, tap Reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 5. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XS Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.